Welcome back to Cornie Kids! I'm Kay. And do you remember our very special friend? Say hello, Pep!
Hi, Acorns.
How are you doing today, Pep?
I'm doing great.
That's awesome, because you know what?
What's that?
You need to feel great so that we can go on a trip!
A trip? Where are we going?
We are actually going to go see all the things that go.
Things that go?
All the things that go.
What do you mean?
Drum roll, please. A car.
A car?
Beep, beep.
I've never been in a car before.
Well, today is your lucky day because we are going to see all the things that go. Shall we see what they are?
Yeah, but before we go, seat belts first. Safety first.
Look at all of the things that go! Wow! First off, we have a road! A road! This road is gray.
Wait,
Acorn?
wait.
Yes.
What's a road?
Well, a road is specifically designed for vehicles like a van.
A van?
A van! Vroom, vroom.
Is that the sound that a van makes?
That sure is. That is the sound that a van makes. Vroom, vroom.
Wow.
Say it with me, Pep. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom.
And look, this van is green. We have a green van. Vroom, vroom. And another thing that goes on the road, Pep, is a fire truck.
A fire truck?
A fire truck. Do you know what color a fire truck is, Acorn? That's right. It's red. Woo, woo, woo. Did you know the sound that a fire truck makes, Pep?
No? Could you tell me?
Woo, 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 woo.
That's a funny sound.
That is, but it's very important because whenever we see that or hear that sound and a red big fire truck, we must move out of the way so that the people that are in there can go help the other people and put out. Can you take a guess what, Acorn? What about you, Pep? What does a fire truck put out?
Well, I know.
Yeah?
A fire?
A fire!
Wow. So they're heroes?
They are heroes. Thank you, fire truck people.
I like fire trucks.
Fire trucks are red. They are red. Look at this beautiful red fire truck. And they are big. Woo, they are so big. They're so much bigger than the green van.
So you know what they are when you see them?
Yes, you do. And they won't always make the wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo sound because they might just be coming from helping the wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo people in danger.
So whenever you see a fire truck, say hello.
That's right. Hello, fire truck people. And another thing that goes on a road, which a lot of us have, it's a car.
A car?
A car. This car is yellow. But cars can come in so many different colors. Pep, do you have a car?
No, I've never even been in a car.
You've never been in a car?
This is my first time wearing a seatbelt.
Wow! Well, what color is our car?
It looks like I don't know because I'm inside.
You're very smart, Pep. That is true. Well, what color do you want it to be?
If I had to choose, I would say red so people can wave at me.
That's wonderful, Pep. I love that. Well, we are sitting in a red car.
Yeah. Ooh, I can feel the wind on my eyebrows.
That's right, Pep. Woo! And we have a truck. A truck. This truck is blue. Oh my goodness. And look who's on our truck. In the trunk of our truck, we have our friend the cat. Meow. And our friend the dog. Roof, roof. My goodness, Pep, do you remember our friend the cat and the dog?
Absolutely. Those are good pals.
They are. And do you know the sound that a truck makes, Pep?
No. What? No, sorry.
No. Well, could you take a guess?
Well, pup.
That's a very good guess, Pep, because they actually do sometimes sound like that.
Wow.
And they sometimes move like that too.
On the road again, on the road again, on the road again with cat and dog.
Yahoo!
On the road again, on the road again, on the road again with all of y'all. On the road again, the road again, on the road again with all y'all.
Woohoo! Yeah! I love it. We have a truck, a car, a fire truck, and a van. They are all on the gray road. And most of us have already been in one of these vehicles. But that's not all the things that go. No, sir. We have a train. The train has train tracks. This train, it's purple.
The trains are so loud.
They are so loud.
When we have to stop, they shake the road.
They shake the road?
Yeah.
Wow, they must be really big, huh?
They're so huge.
They are so huge. And they are very, very, very long.
They are.
And that's why sometimes when a train passes by, we have to wait over 30 minutes. That is long.
That's a long time.
I know. So can you only imagine how long that train is?
It must be coming from the other side of the world.
You are so right. Trains travel from all around the world, and they're used for 2 reasons. Can you guess one of them, Pep?
To make a lot of noise and shake the ground?
That's very true. But the first reason is they help take things from one place to another.
Wow.
For example, food. They help transport our food. food.
I love food.
I love food. And they also help transport our clothes. Our clothes can come from all the way to California to all the way to Florida. Isn't that so long?
That's a long train.
That is a long train and a long trip. And two, they help transport people. Pep, you and I can be on a train.
Yeah!
Yeah, would you like to go on a train with me?
Absolutely.
Chicka, chicka, choo, choo. That'd be so much fun. Where would you want to go?
I don't know. I just want to ride a train.
That's so awesome. Me too. Well, can Cat and the dog go with us?
I hope so. We can take a family trip.
Yay! Please, Cat and dog, would you guys like to ride a train? Ruff, ruff. Meow.
Sounds like they do.
I know. Let's go. And another thing that goes. Drum roll, please. A plane.
A plane?
A plane.
What's that?
Pep, a plane is in the sky. Can you believe that planes fly?
Wow. Where are they going?
They're going to other places. They can go from really long places like a train, but in the sky.
Wow. That is cool.
Sometimes planes sound like oh my goodness, a white plane. And last but not least, a thing that goes on the water.
The water?
The water.
Well, I don't know how to swim.
Well, don't worry, Pep, because there are things like boats.
A boat?
A boat. This is a yellow boat.
All aboard!
All aboard! That's right, Pep. They also help people get from one piece of land to the other piece of land, and they stay dry.
Wow, there are so many things that go.
I know, and I am so proud of you, Acorn. We learned a lot. It's dance time. Thank you so much, Acorn, for watching all of the things that go and for learning them with myself and Pep. Round of applause for Pep.
Thank you, I couldn't have done it without you all.
I know, we learned so many things together, and that's why I love learning with you, Acorn. Now, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.